Hi guys, my name is Vlad. I'm realtor here at South Carolina. Today I would like to show you one more really nice house at really good community here at Anderson, South Carolina. Let's take a look. That's how the house really looks like. You see the builder use quality materials, stone, doors. That could be like front porch over here. You have a really nice view. The forest is close by. The lake is not far away. So let's come inside. Okay.
Too much home.
Okay. Okay. So we see like the bathroom over here, the half bathroom, uh, the toilet. Okay. My son is helping me, by the way. So you have like the storage. Oh man, it's kind of interesting. You can hide it like you can play like hide and seek. Oh, somebody is coming to your new house. Okay, let's go. Oh man, this is huge. Take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is huge. Have really big island. Uh, Dishwasher machine. Take a look at pantry. It's a big one. So you can put a lot of stuff over here, like you see. And everything at the house is like heated. Oh man, it's good. Good quality materials. That's a living area with a fireplace. And let's go to the master bedroom. Master bedroom has two windows, really high ceilings, and a lot of space over here. Let's go to the master bath. Here's the shower, two-person sinks, the toilet, and also they do have the huge storage over here. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at the backyard. Backyard. They do have the patio over here. And a really nice view, like I said before. Take a look at the view. Okay, this is like we have like elementary school. You actually could walk to elementary school. So if you have small kids, that's going to be a huge plus. Come inside. Let me close the door. And let's go to the second floor. Oh, by the way, there is like a laundry and two-car garage. So you see a lot of stuff is already here. Let's go to the second floor. Wood steps over here, which is a huge plus. Oh, what they got over here? Oh man, they got so many rooms here. Here's number 1 bedroom with a storage. One more bedroom, also huge one. Here's the storage as well. Yep. Let me close it. Take a look at the view over there. Yep. Here's a full bathroom. over here. Yes, toilet and bath. And here's some more storage over here, yes. Yep. And one more bedroom. So, also storage. And that do have the one more, oh, that's, you can go to the attic over here. Oh, they use like one more room here. I'm not sure what kind of room is that. It's probably storage, yes. Okay guys, if you want to take a look at that house or any other house here at the area, just give me a call 864-559-9291. Thank you.